Cracking the code. Mastering passive voice with can. Hello, English learners. In today's lesson, we're going to delve into a fascinating aspect of English grammar: passive voice with can. It might sound a bit complicated, but don't worry, we'll break it down to make it easy and fun for you. So, let's jump in. The modal verb, can, is a versatile tool in English. It's used to express ability, permission, possibility, and to make requests or suggestions. For example, I can swim. Can I use your pen? Or, you can try this method. But today, we're focusing on using can in the passive voice. To form the passive voice, we usually use the structure be plus past participle. With can, it becomes can be plus past participle. This structure is used to express what can be done by someone or something, not who can do it. For example, the work can be finished today. Let's look at some examples. 1. The book can be read in one sitting. Here, the emphasis is on the book and what can be done with it. We don't know or care who can read it. 2. This problem can be solved easily. Again, we're focusing on the problem, not the person who can solve it. Remember, the passive voice with can is all about shifting the focus to the action or object, not the doer. Now it's your turn. Try making your own sentences using can in the passive voice. Think about the different situations where you'd need to focus on the action or object, rather than who's doing it. Practice writing and speaking these sentences to really cement this concept. Great job today, everyone! We hope this video has demystified the use of can in the passive voice. It might seem tricky at first, but with practice, you'll start using it naturally. Remember, English is a journey, so don't rush. Keep practicing, keep learning, and you'll keep improving. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next lesson.